So by the end of this video, you're going to know how you can make $500,000 per month from YouTube. Anybody can do this. Anybody in this world can do this. I'm going to show you exactly how in this video, so make sure you watch to the end to find out how. I'm going to go on the computer now and show you exactly how you can make this money, what you need, how you need to do it, how much time it's going to take. Everything you need to know is going to be broken down. I'm going to get straight into it and teach you exactly how all these people are making over $500,000 per month from easy videos. Let's get straight into the computer and show you how to do it. Right guys, so I'm on YouTube now and I'm literally going to get straight to the point and show you how you can make $500,000 a month. This genre of content is so popping right now that you don't want to miss out on this, and like I said, anybody can do it. So the genre is kid videos. Now hear me out, you're probably thinking, wow, you don't make kid videos, okay, but this might change your mind, okay? So here's one example of a channel which is making millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars, right? And you don't need to have any kids involved. You can just play with the toys with your hands, right? So I'm going to filter it to this month, car toys and view count. Look at all of these views here. People playing with toys in their hands. There's no people in the videos. They're literally playing with toys in their hands right here. A couple of these are other ones, but this video's got 8 million views. I spent $20,000. This video's got 8 million views, another $20,000. And there's videos with literally just opening the toys and just playing with construction toys, vehicles, and it literally is nothing, no faces, nothing storyline. It's just pretty much showing the toys and just showing what they're doing. Like, there's no need to talk over it, there's no need to do anything. You can push the look at this video here, you can push the diggers and just play around and make like silly little videos with kids toys, and these videos can get you millions of views, right? So this channel right here, this is a brand new starting out channel, right? This channel, by the looks of it, hasn't started that long ago. They started it 3 months ago, right? They started off getting a couple of thousand views, and then 300,000 views, and then very recently 1 million, 3 million, and now they are killing it on this channel. So they're blowing up right now, and they're going to be another channel who is going to be making over $500,000 a month very, very soon. In the last 2 weeks, they've already got 5 million views. So they made $10,000 in the last week. And this is only the first channel I'm about to show you guys. There's channels way bigger than this, right? So let's change this to this year, okay? This year. This is where things start to get a bit crazy now. So this video's got 100 million views. Again, same principle, you know, just playing with the toys. There's no talking, just music, playing with the toys, maybe spraying at different colors. This video, oh sorry, not that one. This video here, Lightning McQueen. This video has 100 million views. 100 million views. And all they're doing is just putting paint on their hands and playing with car toys. Nothing else. This video would have made over $200,000 from one video. This one video, and they have 3 million subscribers now. So if we go onto their channel, you can see they have loads of other videos with all millions of views. 67 million views, 1 million views, 51 million views. They just have a whole channel full of these views. This is ridiculous. This is crazy. If we go to their about page, they have over 700 million views. They have made easily over $1 million since starting in last year. This is how crazy this gets, right? So now you've seen that type of topic, you're going to want to see the big guys. Who are the guys I'm talking about? $500,000 a month. Well, here we go. I'm going to show you guys now. So we're going to go to Social Blade. We're going to filter it to this month, most viewed this month. And we are going to look at the biggest channels, right? So before I show you this channel, these channels, I want to show you one more channel, which is another channel which is making a lot of money. This channel is recently blown up as well. It's called Super Candy, and this is probably one of the most easiest channels I've ever seen in my entire life on YouTube. This channel literally buys a pack of M&Ms or pack of Skittles, and they just tip them in a bowl. There's nothing else to it. Like, they just tip them in the bowl. There's no story to it. There's no nothing, and they are making millions of dollars, guys. They are making hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars per year, per month. It's just ridiculous. Like, look, there's no thing. The only thing they're doing is adding nursery rhymes over the top. Children's nursery rhyme songs over the top of them just tipping in the sweets into the bowls. Like, this is this is crazy. The audience of kids is massive. There's channels getting billions of views in kids genre. So you want to really get onto this. Look at these. Look at this. In the last 6 months, they've gotten over like 100 million views. This is crazy. So that's one channel. And if we go to their actual Social Blade, which tells you how much they're making, this channel with the candy, they're making over $100,000 a month just from doing that. They blew up within, they started around here, 1 month, 2 months, they blew up within 2 months pretty much. And then they died a bit, I'm assuming they deleted a lot of videos, and then bang, they're back up again. 56 million views a month, over $100,000 per month from making these videos of just sweets tipping in the bowls. Now, let's get straight into the $500,000 a month, what you've all wanted to see. $500,000 a month. What are they doing that's so much different than the guys I've just shown you? Well, honestly, if you really want me to be blatantly honest, not a lot. The potential of these videos, right, the thing you'll understand is these videos are all the same thing. So take a look at this, right? Johnny Yes Papa nursery rhyme. You've got a Finger Family song. You've got all children's nursery rhymes, all the name of the nursery rhymes. The kids don't actually care what's in the video. They're clicking for the nursery rhyme, right? So this channel here, Coco Melon, is the biggest kids channel on YouTube. This channel is killing the game right now, okay? Yes, their videos are a bit more in depth. Yes, their videos are a lot harder to do. They're animated. They obviously take a lot of time in doing it, and respecting them for doing that. However, the principle of the channel is exactly the same. Obviously, this channel is way more safe, way more brandable, and, you know, just genuinely better than just tipping sweets into a bowl. But that was just a low ball example. This channel here, for example, is something that you can really make into a long-term brand. And just to give you an example, this is way more than I even was going to show you, but this channel is making over $4 million a month. $4 million. They're making upwards of $140 million a year from this channel. And again, the same thing, just nursery rhymes. Yes, they are animations, but it's the same principle. Animations, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes. So, if we go to YouTube now and type in nursery rhymes, now we've got the most viewed nursery rhymes. We're going to change it to this year and then view count, right? Obviously, the channel I've just shown you guys, the Coco Melon's at the top. This video's got 1 billion views, so that video there is $1 million alone. Another $1 million, probably another $1 million. You get the point. But there's other channels as well. It's not just these ones. It's the nursery rhymes in general. There's adults here who are dancing to Baby Shark. You know the song Baby Shark. They're just dancing to it. There's another channel here of a little girl who is, you know, just playing with nursery rhymes, doing little skit videos. There's channels with baby dolls, just playing with baby dolls, and that has 300 million views. That's $500,000 from one video. These videos are getting millions of views. This one here was one of the ones I wanted to show you. This video is crazy. This video has over 200 million views on YouTube, and pretty much it's in the name. It's an old MacDonald nursery rhyme song, and as you can see, there's nothing special to this. It's a lady just dancing with a ball, dancing to the song with animated, obviously from Google or something, some sort of pig icon, and then another one comes in and their face are changed to another animal, and it just goes on, and they're just dancing to these nursery rhymes and getting millions and millions and millions and millions of views on all of these videos. So now I'm going to show you the big guys, the guys making $500,000 a month from this technique, right? So here's the first channel. This channel is called Family Games TV, 400 million views a month, which is over $500,000 per month. The maximum is 2.3 million. It's usually in the middle, but I'm going to say low ball, absolute low ball, $500,000 a month. Okay, and their channel again is just basic kid videos, but if we go to the most viewed videos, they're going to have nursery rhymes as well. So as you can see, they got Johnny Yes Papa nursery rhyme, again Johnny Yes Papa, and then just a basic general overview of just random kid videos and mainly nursery rhymes, but loads of other stuff as well. Next channel, another animated channel making over $500,000 a month, potentially $2 million a month. And again, this channel, if you go to this one, nursery rhymes all over the channel. Nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes. You get the point. Yes, it's animated, but the point of it is still the same. Regardless what the content is, it's nursery rhymes. Okay, next channel. I can't pronounce that name of the channel, but again, 300 million views a month, potentially $1.8 million a month, but usually it's way over $500,000. And this channel again, as we can see, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes. You get the point, right? Loads of these videos of nursery rhymes everywhere. And the next one again, Hello TV Nursery Rhymes. It's in the channel name this time. 300 million views a month. Minimum is 100,000. Maximum is 1.6. Over $500,000 easily. We go to this channel. This one's actually surprising. They don't do anything different every time. It's, as you can see by all the thumbnails, it's pretty same thing. It's just different nursery rhymes every time. And yeah, they've got millions and millions of views. So nursery rhymes again. Next one.
This one's, again, called Nursery Rhymes in the title. The channel is called ABC Kid TV Nursery Rhymes. So assumingly, it's videos all to do with nursery rhymes. This one's animated, not of a baby this time, just of actual coloured toys. So you could do this in real life if you wanted to. And they have 1.8 million subscribers, and some of the videos have over 100 million views. And this channel, like I said, over 300 million views, way over $500,000 a month, potentially 1.6 million. And the final one, Super Kids Songs TV. We go to their channel. These guys are averaging per month, as you can see here, 300 million. I don't know why it's not saying anything there. It's obviously glitched, but you can see on this graph down here, it's over 300 million views a month, and it has been for the last couple of years, really. Well, last year at least. Way over $500,000 a month. And the same thing again. This one's cartoony, but the point of it is if you're happy and you know it, nursery rhymes, kids songs, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes, nursery rhymes. So there's hundreds of these guys, and if you really want to see it yourself, all you've got to do is, you know, you could just go onto YouTube, type in kids songs, and then filter it to like this month, or even if you wanted this week, and then go to most viewed, and there's just hundreds of these videos with millions of views. Like this, there's just random people here just dancing to the songs, mummy jumping on the bed, playground song, and some, you'll notice in some of these there's actual full-grown adults doing this, and there's also videos of, you know, of animated ones, so you don't necessarily have to put your face in it. You can do other things as well. You need to use your imagination and just kind of create something for kids which kind of fits with this atmosphere, and you can make a lot of money. Now this one here is obviously just a random, this seems to me like a random video in Sony Vegas. This doesn't seem like it took any effort at all. I might have done, so I apologize if it did, but in my opinion I can make this in probably 5 seconds. They're just an image going across the screen. There's no there's no purpose to this. This video has 200,000 views, about $500 off one video, guys. That's, you know, half of a normal wage. But if you go to their channel, you know, you can see they have thousands of videos, thousands of them. Some of them have millions, and their total channel has over 8 million views. So they've made over $16,000 since January last year. This is a smaller channel, but I can guarantee within the next year or two they're gonna blow up and get to the same category as these big channels. So these are the ways you can make $500,000 per month.
Now, a quick disclaimer of this technique. I've personally done it myself, and I've personally made over $100,000 from making kids videos. You can see a screenshot here. In 2016, in total I made over $100,000 from making kid videos. I personally stopped in 2016 because I wanted to focus on bigger things for myself. I didn't want to be making kid videos for the rest of my life, but if you want to do it as a full-time career and turn it into a massive brand, you personally can do it. Anybody can do this. You just need an imagination and able to build a brand with kids. So there would be one piece of advice I would give to you guys who are thinking about doing this, and that is to make your content valuable and educational, right? YouTube are changing their rules all the time. You don't want to go against their rules. You don't want to be spammy. You don't want to do content farming. You want to make it safe, right? And my advice to you guys doing this would be to go away and really think of an original idea of in this niche. You want to be something which is actually going to entertain kids, educate them, and provide some type of value to them. So YouTube don't see it as just a way of making money. You don't want to do that. You don't want to just spam these videos out. I know some people do. I've showed you some examples who might potentially do it, but you know, they're treading on a fine line. But the fact of that is, this category and this example of nursery rhymes and kids videos, you can get billions. I've showed you many examples. It doesn't really matter what the content is, because kids will watch anything, okay? And like I said, you don't want to make it inappropriate. You don't want to make it bad. You need to make it educational, value, and you also need to make it something which kids are going to learn from, you know, like I said, educational and stuff like that. So that would be the best advice I'm going to give to you. But if you really want to crack down on it and really take this seriously, you can literally turn your life around in a month or two. This category is crazy. You can make millions of dollars, and there's people who are just making millions of dollars from playing with car toys. Like, come on, that's crazy, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Comment down below your thoughts on this idea. What do you think? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think people should do it more? What do you think? Let me know down below. And next time I'm going to show you even bigger examples of other categories which you might not have known of, which you can make millions from, which is very easy to do. So subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care.